It is indeed gardening time today. Down in the bush. Yeah. So, come with me here and let us plant some new plants, all while dealing with this lovely sunset here coming through the trees. Let's do some gardening. Alright, so I've got these here plants here. Nothing new. I've grown these plants down here in the bush before. In fact, I've got these ones pretty much everywhere as part of Project Overgrowth. We'll be continuing that a bit today. We only have these two here, but they're two very important additions. Alas though, I am wounded, so we're going to be taking it a bit slow today. Now, a few days back, it was around 10 at night. I was at my friend's place, Liam and Will. They've been on the channel before in a few videos, and we decided, hey, let's head down to the park because we were getting a bit bored of sitting around. And then we had the bright idea, let's race. So me and Liam decided to race, and unfortunately my feet failed me and I lost my footing. Down I went, hitting the pavement. I don't think I've ever got so close to the road before, and I just skidded full body along the road, but I had one thing in mind, keep my phone off the road, because I'll heal. That phone, it won't heal. And I just managed to keep it just off the road from the screen getting absolutely deleted. I did lose a bit of the side of the cover, but that's all good. My shirt got absolutely disintegrated from the slide against the road. Great. And this is what I've got from saving my phone. Doesn't look anywhere near as bad as what it did a few days ago. It looked gross a few days ago, and I've got stuff on my knees, elbows, and one that went pretty deep, and for some reason was the color white when I first did it. I don't know why it was the color white. Yeah, that one's pretty sore. That's the one that's stopping me from moving around too much, and that one's more on my hip area. Let's see. Right there, look at that bad boy. That thing was white when I first did it for some reason I don't know. Anyways, enough staring at my hips. Let's plant. Oh, and if you are wondering, don't worry, I won the race. Despite falling halfway through, we still got back up and we still won. Guess my days of tag ain't over yet. By the pond here, and I figured for our first plant, I'll just put it in with King Toast's toast plant, which already has one of these growing in here. Which, to be honest with you, I completely forgot about. That does well. That's this one. This one I just figured we'd pop in here because I've already got one growing in here. So I figured that'd do it quite nicely. There we go. We should settle in quite happily in here, I'm hoping. Man, these birds this afternoon are loud. I nearly said lousy. What? Where am I getting that from? Oh man. Cockadoo's going crazy. I'm also currently editing this video on my phone because I'm having some troubles with my cord to connect my hard drive to my laptop. It's a little bit faulty at the moment because I dropped it and it's bent, so it's a bit hit or miss, and I don't want to risk corrupting other files by plugging it back in. So I'm just editing this one on my phone for good luck. That's why it's a little bit less edited than normal. And those plants are in. The next step, watering, and we'll also be checking out our catnip. But I just wanted to quickly say, we are approaching two big deals. Now, one is that we are hitting the 3-year mark of this series soon. So we'll be popping over to the year's tent in about a month, I think. About a month or two. And we'll be adding a new sign to that. The second really big deal, I guess they're both pretty big deals, is that we are approaching 200 episodes of Bush Life. We're going to reach that milestone pretty soon. Only 9 episodes remain from this point, which is crazy. This is episode 191. Never did I think I'd be doing this for that long. Holy moly. And I've already got a big plan for it. Don't you worry. So we'll see what happens with that. Well, I know what will happen, but you guys will see. Oh yeah, I got a haircut. I haven't seen my hair this short in so long. It's kind of weird to see. I'm trying to part it through the middle. So we'll see how that goes. It keeps wanting to go to the right. So I have to tame my hair. Don't know why I said that. Anyways, coming over here to the utterly destroyed garden tent. May it rest in peace. The catnip, is it still growing? It is! It's made no progress. This thing's impossible. Low-key sage clover, I swear. I'll find something to feed you guys, even if it's cat food at this rate. Might have to be the case. Anyways, watering time. Yoink! Alright, I'm actually going to film the process because we haven't walked down here in a while. But essentially, it's real overgrown here because I really don't... Oh, I've got to be careful. A bit sore. I really don't come down here all that much to the creek side anymore. You can see our old rope. The amount of erosion here from the flooding, it's really steep. Cyclone Alfred really wrecked this place. It's kind of bizarre. Buddy, thank you. Oh God. Oh, that hurt a bit. Oh, the water's come down quite a bit though. Wow, it's crazy just how overgrown it is here now compared to what it used to be. And here just looks more open as well. It just looks so different. Our flood meter is still here. Very high up the tree now, I will say. Holy moly. Look. Used to be able to walk out to this tree. There used to be path there, and now it just drops. Well, all the better for me and my water. Oh, you can see it dropping here too. We've got to be careful here. Oh man, it's actually kind of hard to get it in. Yeah. Alright, that'll do. Oh. Yeah, look at this erosion. I used to step up here, not anymore. Wow. Man, it's been a while since I've watered stuff down here. It's just so tedious to get up and down now to the creek. It's so hard. And I remember back when I used to be able to just back and forth. It was just a nice little slope I could easily get up, and now, well, it's hard, it's hard. The erosion down here has been crazy the past few years, all the floods and stuff. It's been making it real difficult to do simple little tasks that used to be really easy at the start of the series, and now, just lugging a bit of water up here is real difficult. Well, it's getting dark, getting late, getting cold. This is where I'm going to end this one off, guys. It is spring now. So everything should start getting nice and lively down here. And hopefully we can get Liam and Will here soon. See you in the next one. And if you want to see more of what I'm up to, go check out Bush Creative, as I'm currently developing my own game. So if you want to see more on that, head over to Bush Creative. That's where most of my time is spent nowadays. So, it could be fun. You might like it. See you in the next video.